Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most of you welcome. So Mihlali Damasa is at it again, and now she's exposing Leeroy of being in after 9 after fighting to be with him, doing drugs for him, that stabbing incident, and she has done everything to be with him. She's now calling him an after 9. I want you to listen to this. My commentary.
People are so funny. People are so funny. Imagine how many was a double attack. No, after 9 weeks, you will be substance and what has happened since you wanna be pity on social media. Since we want to be petty on social media, we gotta be asking Mr. After 9 what substances I'm on. That's all I'm saying. Oops. I took it there.
I feel like we're going to have a long week with us too, because Leeroy will come and respond to this like he did last time, and it's not going to end well. And some people are saying this is going to be her downfall. She has everything to lose, and Leeroy has nothing to lose. Leeroy last month, he took a video with Mary Jane, her ex, and seemingly they are on talking terms. And Mihlali, I think she didn't like it. A week ago, she posted a new boyfriend, Bane Lembere, and flowers that were delivered to her, and she quickly deleted the post. It's sort of they're doing a competition, sort of, I don't know what is happening, but I think at this point she should just put brakes because it's getting messy. And Leeroy this time around, he's going to come with more tea. Last time he said Mihlali is on substances, and this time around you don't know what he's going to come up with. So I don't know what you guys think. Is this Mihlali's done for? Because she should be mindful of brands that are going to sign up with her. And at this moment, no one would like to sign up with someone who is doing substances and someone with bad reputation. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, and see you in my next video.